Hey guys, it's Retired at 40. This week we're doing Traeger week. We're doing 3 recipes. This is the second recipe of 3. And at the end of the week you'll have one delicious meal that you can make on the Traeger. So Monday we did the homemade Traeger rub. Today we're doing a smoked coleslaw. If you've never joined us on this channel, we do some grilling, we do some cooking, we do some food preservation, some gardening, some self-sustained living, and you get to journey with me and my family on our retirement at the age of 40. So take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications of new videos. Make sure you give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content in the video, and leave us a comment. We always love to hear how things turn out for you or to give us some tips. Whew, it's cold out there. I'm gonna slip into something a little more comfortable. That's better. So for our smoked coleslaw, here are our ingredients. We need cabbage, of course. We need 1 carrot. We need 1 lemon. Fresh is the best, if you can get it. We need a large red or green pepper. I like to use the smaller ones. We need 1 onion. A red onion tends to work better. We need some Dijon mustard, some mayonnaise, some sour cream, some prepared horseradish, and some paprika, and a little bit of sugar. If you haven't already, put your Traeger on smoke. While we're waiting for the grill to smoke, we're gonna go into a mixing bowl like this and we're gonna make the dressing. We're gonna do 1/2 cup of sour cream. We're gonna go 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Next we're gonna take the juice from 1 lemon, which equals out to be about 1/4 cup. So I usually put it into quarters and then we just squeeze the lemon into there. Next we're going to do 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and then to add a little kick we need 1 to 2 tablespoons of prepared horseradish. We're going to give this a quick stir, make sure everything is mixed, and then we're going to go into the refrigerator. Alright, while this cools off for a little bit, we're going to make the slaw. Okay, now that our sauce is ready, our grill has had time to smoke for 5 or 10 minutes. We're going to take our cabbage and we're going to cut it into small pieces. If you've got a food processor, this will make the process a little bit easier. It's not a necessity by any means, but it will cut the cabbage into nice even sections. So we need 8 cups of shredded cabbage. Then we're going to want a baking sheet. Make sure it's something that you don't mind getting stained or whatever, because it is going to get smoky. But then we're just going to pour the cabbage out onto the baking sheet, spread it out evenly. Okay, we're going to take the diced cabbage out to the Traeger. We're going to smoke it for 30 minutes. If you're making the cheddar smoked burgers at the same time, you can also throw the burgers on at the same time as the cabbage. While the slaw is out smoking, we're going to throw 1 onion, 1 carrot, and 1 red or whichever color bell pepper that you want. I'm going to throw them in the food processor, which will make your life easier once again, but you can slice them into whatever size you want. Alright, let's see how the slaw's doing. It's been about half an hour. Looks good, just a little bit of brown on the top. Alright, let's grab our dressing that's been cooling off. Now we're going to put our smoked slaw into the dressing. Alright, now we're going to throw in our onions and carrots and peppers. And we're going to mix this all up so we can coat that dressing on all of it. Alright, last but not least, we're just going to top it with paprika. And you can add a little salt and pepper to taste. That's the Traeger smoked coleslaw. Make sure you join me on Friday for the smoky cheddar pork burgers. If it's past Friday, I'll put a link down below. You have to make these together. They're a match made in heaven. This is Retired at 40. Remember to live life simple. We'll catch you on Friday.